This month, November, has always been a moment where the stock market experienced some level of dip. And for those who have been following me, if you have been watching the market and you position yourself to be a value investor, you need to follow the technicals. You need to understand how to play the game, because the market sometimes is volatile, sometimes is, of course, very, very much pleasant for everybody to step in. Whatever it is about making money. If you are not making money, I don't see any reason why you should be in the market. Yes, everybody has their area of opportunities. There are many markets. When it comes to the financial market, the stock market to be precise, you need to be strategic, you need to be intentional, you need to be goal-oriented, objective, and technical. But don't forget, you need a mentor. I know my mentors and I follow them, back to back. Whatever they do, I try to copy them. I try to learn from them. I ask them a lot of questions, because money has some form of spirit. And when God wants to place you in a spot where He can bless you, God will always subject you to a level where you become humble to accept the fate. And of course, if you're able to follow what God has for you, you will definitely make money. Now, this month, November, a lot has been happening. The big tech companies have been released. In fact, they have been releasing their earnings, and the biggest of them of this month that we're waiting for is Nvidia. Everybody is waiting for Nvidia to release their annual report so that they know the direction of the market. However it is, you don't need to just fold your hands and be waiting. You need to also know what is playing out. So one of those stocks on my list that released their annual report last night is RGTI. RGTI, immediately after releasing their annual report, even though they did a little bit better, the stock price fell. You can see RGTI Computing fell 4.71% after reporting a third quarter loss and missing revenue estimates, contrasting with a 2.44% gain in the tech sector. You see, RGTI is already making progress. It's already making a lot of gain, 2.44 gain from the industry. Yet their annual report did not actually do well. But even as that, the company is already at the profit level. This is a company on $10.7 billion market cap. It's a good company. And now that we are talking AI, these are companies that you have to follow. These are companies that you follow them, you grow with them. I remember how many months ago? It should be 5 months ago, I listed this particular stock on my radar, and I told my investors to buy this stock, and it was trading around $10. Yes, I remember around June, look at it. Yes, June, it was trading $11. I remember buying this stock at closely $10. Yes, and you can see if you follow it from this point, you can see that it has made over 212%. 6 months ago, it has done 212%. Yes, and on my portfolio, let me see. I've sold some of this stock. You see, I'm already at 191%. So that is awesome. You see, so when I tell people about companies like this, you want to buy them. I know when I listed it, I told everybody that this stock is going to hit $45 per one. $45 per one. You see, I bought it when it was $11.14, and now it is $32 per one share. and I have made a lot of profit. I'm still making profit, and I'm still going to hold it. If I want to buy now, I can still buy now. There are some other stocks that I'm not also doing well. However this is one of those things. So now Rigetti is going to return back to 55%, 45%, 50, 53%, down to $57. Sorry. Yes, Rigetti is going to return back to $43, $45, $51, $57. Is going to return from now till April next year. Is going to return there. So you see, this was October. This was October. In October, it was making absolutely awesome. It almost hit $60. It's going to return here because this is a growing stock. This is a growing stock, and everybody should buy. You don't need to wait for it to come back to $10 or $15 or $5. No, this stock has actually moved. I'm going to list out other stock that you can buy at a cheaper price, like $1, $2, $5, that will grow the same way this particular stock is growing. But for this one, if you want to grow your wealth, you know, focusing on the AI industry, you know, a lot of it, this is one of those stocks that you need to buy. Yeah, this is one of those stocks, because this stock by this time next year is going to hit $100. Yes, it's going to hit $100. So don't just fold your hands and be watching while others are making a lot of money. So this is it. So if you want to build wealth, you're a civil servant, you earn money from any place at all, you are a business owner, these are what you use to save your money. So add it to your radar, and then make sure you follow up. You can see this is one of those analyses, and this is TradingView. I'm using TradingView to analyze this particular one. And what is the forecast telling us? What is the forecast 1 year from now? What is the forecast? It's telling us that we can buy the stock strongly. It's not even telling us to sell. It's only 1% holding, but you can see it's already showing that you can buy this stock, buy it strongly. This is the right opportunity for you to buy this particular stock, because you can see it's going to return back to 54%, which is $51. It's going to return where it was before, because it was here, you know. So it's going to go back there again. It's going to go back there again. So guys, try and buy this particular stock. So if this particular video has been very, very beneficial to you, make sure you watch the next video, and do me one favor, try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me to grow this channel so that we can reach a lot of people across Africa, across the world, so that people can start making money from these platforms. And don't forget to share. If you have made money from this Rigetti, you have been following me, let me see your comment on the comment section. Bye bye.